everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something that's been blowing up online lately, Live Good. You've probably seen the videos, the social media posts, and maybe even had a friend message you about it. But here's the real question, is Live Good a legit opportunity, or just another online scam? Stick around because in this video, we are breaking it all down, the products, the business model, the compensation plan, and by the end, you'll know whether Live Good is worth your time or not. Let's get into it. What is Live Good? So first things first, what exactly is Live Good? Live Good is an online health and wellness company that sells products like supplements, protein powders, CBD oil, and more. Their mission? To make high-quality wellness products affordable for everyone, cutting out the middleman, MLM markups, and inflated prices. But here's where it gets interesting. Live Good also has a membership model, kind of like Costco or Sam's Club. You pay a small monthly fee to get access to wholesale prices on their products. But that's not all. There's also a compensation plan attached to it, which is where people start wondering if this is a business opportunity or a pyramid scheme. The products, legit or hype? Let's talk about the products. Because if the products suck, it doesn't matter how good the business model is. Live Good offers a wide range of health-focused products, multivitamins, organic super greens, plant-based protein, CBD drops, and even skincare. And honestly, the reviews are mostly positive. People say the quality is great, the ingredients are clean, and the prices are way better than most competitors. For example, their organic super reds, which support heart health, are less than half the price of some other brands. So yeah, from a product standpoint, Live Good looks solid. But what about the business side? The business model, MLM or something else? Here's where it gets controversial. Live Good has an affiliate program that allows you to earn money by referring others. But before you roll your eyes and say, oh no, another MLM, hear this. Unlike traditional MLMs, you don't have to buy products monthly to qualify for commissions. There's no high-pressure sales, and no massive upfront inventory costs. Right pointing finger emoji, you pay a $40 one-time affiliate fee, plus a $9.95 per month membership. You can then earn from referring others directly, but also from spillover in a 2x15 FOST matrix, meaning you can earn even if you don't recruit, although that's slower. So, while Live Good has MLM elements, it's not your typical multi-level marketing company. They've removed many of the worst parts. Scam or legit? Let's get real. A scam is usually something where there's no real product, no real value, or where people at the top are the only ones who benefit. With Live Good, the products are real, people actually use them, and the business model is more affiliate-based than predatory MLM. But, and this is important, don't expect to get rich quick. If you think you can just sign up, do nothing, and make thousands, you're going to be disappointed. This is a legit business opportunity, but like anything, it takes effort, consistency, and marketing know-how. Pros and cons summary, white tick mark emoji. Pros, high-quality products at affordable prices, no monthly auto-ship required, low startup cost, real opportunity to earn passively, transparent leadership and compensation. Warning emoji. Cons, still MLM style structure, which some people avoid. Passive earnings are slow without referrals. Market is getting competitive with many joining fast. No guaranteed income. Like any business, so is Live Good a scam? Absolutely not. Is it for everyone? Nope. But if you're into wellness products, enjoy sharing things you believe in, and want a low-cost way to start an online income stream, Live Good might be worth a closer look. Eyes emoji. As always, do your own research before jumping into anything. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.